After getting fed up with my shaky hands, thanks ADHD medication, I finally decided to bite the bullet and get myself a gimbal. DJI OM 5 leapt to the front of the pack for me, if only because of its extendable selfie stick. Inside, you'll find an envelope of all the traditional paperwork, like the Quick Start Guide. The sunset white gimbal has a slight pink wash to its color, and it feels luxe and sturdy, yet light in the hand. Included is also a riser pad for smaller phones to make sure they fit nice and snug, a good length Type-C cord, magnetic phone clamp, no it's not MagSafe compatible, carrying case, and a tripod that screws into the bottom of the gimbal. The included wrist strap did give me a hell of a hard time to attach, but I got there in the end. I also found you really need to firmly pull on the joint to flip the gimbal open, and I was kinda scared doing it the first time. But don't worry, it seems to be much stronger than I thought it was going to be. Same thing to pull out the extension rod or tilt the gimbal. Make sure you firmly pull. The magnet is strong for the magnetic phone clamp, much stronger than MagSafe accessories, so I'm glad they went this route instead of making it MagSafe. Everything tucks neatly into the carrying bag too. I also just wanted to film a quick comparison, though this is not my in-detail one, yet. This is just with the settings out of the box, no tweaking done. While the movement from side to side is much smoother, I can still see my hands making it shake a little bit going up and down.